feel like that TikTok that's like, girl, don't do it. And then I went ahead and did it. I'm Mary Dominique. Welcome back to my channel. As you saw, today we are talking about my new Prada mini nylon bag. I honestly don't just splurge on bags unless I've been looking at them for a really long time. This one has been sold out and I can't wait to tell you how I got my hands on one. It also was my 30th birthday present to myself, so I've been really excited to get it. Most of you probably know, but little mini or nano bags are really trendy and popular right now. Also just such a cute accessory. So I want to show you a few ways that I'm going to style this bag. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up. But let's get into it. It came like this. I got it from the Saks Fifth Ave, which I will get to. It came in this little blue box, which I already opened it, you guys. I had to see it and just freak out over it because I've been really, really excited. It comes like this. Are you kidding me? So this is a mini version of the Prada Nylon 2005 re-edition bag. This is just a mini version of it. So this comes with a fabric strap. You guys, this is just, how gorgeous is this? So it comes with this strap and then it also comes with the little chain. Both are detachable. Then it has the iconic logo, of course, and a zipper closure. This bag is literally going to be my new favorite accessory. It is very tiny, as you can see, so I want to show you exactly what will fit inside of this bag. It is the iconic nylon material and it has the Saffiano leather on the edges. I am just in love with this, and just the fact that it's literally a sold out handbag. This bag is 11 centimeters by 15 centimeters. So like I said, it is really, really tiny, genuinely made for essentials only. So I'm gonna show you really quick what fits inside of here. I have my Louis Vuitton little pochette, which is where I keep my cards and money. So we will stick that in there. I have my car keys. Usually I do have my key on here, but I think my boyfriend has it. So stuck that in there. Sanitizer. Hello 2020. That is an essential. And then my Kylie Jenner Cocoa lip kit. So I could fit the liner in there as well. So all of that fits perfectly. And then you just zip it shut. So good. Fits perfectly. Obviously it doesn't fit my phone. So here's my phone. And it's honestly just too big. You wouldn't even be able to like slide it in. So as you can see, this is truly just a mini bag. I just want to share with you how I was able to get this super sold out bag. Basically, I looked on the website every single day and it said available soon over and over. So I figured it's got to be available at some point, right? And this was back in like June or July. I did see Kylie Jenner post about this bag a long time ago and I just felt like, wow, I really need this little mini bag. I go on the website, I think it was 2 days before Thanksgiving, and I see that it is available. I went on the website, put it in my car, I was freaking out, and it kept saying error, error, error. I ended up calling them and the woman on the phone was like, oh yeah, hon, that's been sold out for a really long time. I will go ahead and check the stores at the Saks Fifth Ave. So she checks and she's like, there is one left in the United States at the Saks Fifth Avenue store, Prada store, in San Francisco. A firework went off. I'm like, the last one in the United States. Any girl would be freaking out. I call right when they open. I think it was 11 a.m. their time. I call and no one answers. I call again, no one answers. I'm obviously a psycho person and I ended up calling I think 7 times before I finally got a hello, and then they hung up. So I knew someone was there. I said, well, I'm just gonna keep calling. I don't even care. So I call again, and finally this woman, Tracy, super nice shout out, she was so sweet and she was like, hey, we totally have it. It's all yours. I gave her all of my information. I was so excited. This is all I wanted for my birthday. I'm going to show you with what I'm wearing right now, literally just sweatpants. I did have to adjust this. It came in a lot smaller, so I just kind of manually adjusted it to fit over my shoulder. I love that it is adjustable because you could wear it a couple different ways. You guys, are you serious? Is this not the cutest accessory ever? So here I just took off the fabric strap and I'm just using it as a little mini bag. So if I were to go out, this is how I would wear it. It is just so, so perfect. I also saw it being worn like this and kind of just on your jeans. So I just looped it through here and clipped it to the other side. This is so stylish. I'm absolutely obsessed with this. And then you can put your phone in your back pocket and just have all your essentials on your hip like this. I am in love with it being worn like this. I do know that you can take the strap and make, to try and figure that out, I think you really just adjust it and then tie it around. So I love that this is adjustable. Huge perk because some mini bags don't have that option, and I pretty much won't buy one unless it does, just so that you can have some versatility with it. But yeah, absolutely love this. Obviously everyone's waist is different, but I did do it as tight as it could go, and that's kind of where it's laying on me. Literally in love with that too. I love a hands-free moment. And then if it's short like that, this is how it looks just on. Kind of cute too. So this wouldn't be a crossbody, it would just kind of be just a purse. Again, I love that it's adjustable because you get all those options. I think this is really adorable as well. And I just love that you can do so much with this little baby princess cute bag. So that's gonna wrap up the rest of my video. Like I said, the nano and baby bags are really popular. I'm going to show you a few other styles really quick just in case you wanted to look at some other ones. Unfortunately, like I said, this one sold out, but Gucci, Celine, Chloe, Fendi, they all have little bags that are available still. This re-edition nylon mini shoulder bag that I just showed you is $6.50. Gucci Marmont leather super mini bag. This one retails at $9.50 right now. The Dionysus Gigi Supreme super mini bag is running for $830. Fendi Nano Baguette Charm bag. This one is super, super tiny. This one retails at $7.50. Chloe Mini Drew crossbody bag. This one runs at $8.50. The baby bag in leather, the Givenchy little nano bag, runs at $5.90. You don't have to get a designer one though, of course. There are so many websites and other retailers doing little dupes or just other mini nano bags, so you can totally get this looks for less and you don't have to break the bank to get this style. If you want to see more ways that I style this, hit me up, follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I had so much fun doing this little review. I hope that you guys, if you're looking for this bag, do get your hands on it, and I would just suggest checking the website over and over like I did, and one day hopefully it will become available to you guys. Thank you for all the love, and I will see you in my next video.